In this video, we're going to introduce you to the Strainrite ProCrimp. The Strainrite ProCrimp is a portable, battery-powered, and rechargeable crimp tool that you can take with you on any fencing project. The ProCrimp can be used on a variety of crimp sleeve sizes from 7 to 12.5 gauge depending on the brand of the crimp sleeve itself, and it comes with this carrying harness, holster, power cords, carrying case, rechargeable battery, and battery charger. When we press and hold the power button, we're going to see our indicator lights light up for power and battery status. Our trigger is right here for activating the tool. There are two toggle settings that we can use. The first off is forward here. This is full open. It will do a full crimp and then release the full extent. We can also choose the other setting where we can do incremental crimping, and when it completes the full cycle, it'll release just a little bit. We're going to demonstrate this ProCrimp in action. To do so, we're going to pretend like we're adding a top line to this existing fence. We're going to slide both a short crimp on and one long crimp. We'll bend this around our end post. And we'll go ahead and slide both crimp sleeves on the tail end of the wire. We're going to use the top slot for the 12.5 gauge crimp. We're going to make multiple crimps. And for this one, I'll use the other setting. So we can do incremental little by little crimping here with minor release, and then open up wide to scooch over and do the remainder of the crimp sleeve. The Strainrite ProCrimp is the best friend for any contractor out there. Visit Kencove.com to find this tool, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fencing tips and expert advice.